Frequently distorted by natural calamities, Nepal, in April 2015, had to go through a devastating earthquake resulting death of 8,896 people and completely damaged 6,04,930 private households. With establishment of National Reconstruction Authority and when publicly widespread problems related to reconstruction of private housing surfaced, Forum for Nation Building, realizing the need for awareness regarding laws and policies among people of the affected areas, from 2016 conducted community mobile legal clinics and other activities with objectives of providing legal literacy and support at doorstep of the victims.
Our activities initiating pro bono culture and ensuring access to justice includes community mobile legal clinic, local government training, training of trainers, mass media and policy advocacy with strategic litigation.
With an aim to widen the reach of intervention, radio program through the radio station of earthquake-affected districts along with television program was produced and broadcasted inviting leaders of Reconstruction Authority and participation of the representatives of government stakeholders. Booklets entailing provisions and procedures of reconstruction process as well as general laws of the country in simplified language have also been published and disseminated over the various activities of the project, especially targeted for the community's legal literacy enhancement. Scrutinizing the impacts of our efforts, policy dialogues and advocacy with central, provincial and local stakeholders has succeeded to result in law reforms of the reconstruction process. Decentralization of reconstruction power among local governments stands out as one of the major achievements of the constant advocacy of FNB Nepal with the concerned stakeholders in support of paralegal development and service at local level. Research conducted by the organization on internally displaced persons from the 2015 earthquake has also assisted for quantifying the overall impacts of our interventions. In current situation of COVID-19, relief support in terms of sanitization and rations for earthquake-affected families is also being done and major focus being shifted to appellate letter procedure of earthquake victims who haven't still been able to be registered as beneficiaries of the amenities being provided by NRA. Regular FM programs and follow-up services from central office as well as the district-based office in Gorkha and Sindhupalchok are being continuously functioned even during the time of nationwide lockdown imposed by the government. As a pioneer for pro bono legal engagement culture and only organization relentlessly working in access to justice spheres of earthquake victims since 2016, FNB Nepal's experience and learning gained through community and bureaucratic engagement will be vital for future collaboration and inspiration for other systems of disaster management as well as grassroots legal literacy as to promote access to justice. Having trained 211 legal service providers, future access to justice program can be sustained through their own pro bono contribution and responsibility towards the community.